let go. Blowing on killer, nothing is realer. I keep a pound of that Exxon. You ain't the realest, so she can't figure. I give a D on the futon. Netflix and chillin', pussy a river. Play with the clit and I make it run. Scary as thriller, choker like Miller. Shoot on a big apple, warm calm. She do the D like thermometers. I need to go like Obama them. Straight to the brick cause I honor it. But damn it, this head, I promise ya. Done got me stuck in the way from cheese. Busted 3 dust on super weed. But light up an L is in my jeans. Bitch, I got a bill like prison fees. Back to the money like vertebrae hunters. And own it like hunters and duck season. Ain't sweet as some honey when paper be funny. But get off your tummy to keep on eating. Just being honest, can't lay up with bunnies. Whenever it's sunny, I must be leaving. To know I be running, she hear daddy coming and know that I want her to touch me. Blowing on some gas while I'm feeling on her ass. See, thinking about a bag, might not need a couple racks. Hey, blowing on some gas while I'm feeling on her ass. See, thinking about a bag, might not need a couple racks. Hey, I gotta get up and make a move, but loving the way that the ass move. Know that I'm breaking my own rules, but I love the currency and the Cooch. I gotta get up and make a move, but loving the way that the ass move. Know that I'm breaking my own rules, but I love the currency and the Cooch. Love me a bitch with a whale ass, in a tight dress and know she bad. Can't do nothing less, so let it pass. When we get together in straight gas, we don't do no Reggie but pacing fast. On green beat to get it like Project Pan. Her bestie said she ignore her ass and giving me head while I'm counting cash. Living the life of a trio one, the baddest of hoes since day one. Fucking with real if they A1, cause most of my traders from day one. I beat a pussy like band drums, and anything dope is my anthem. Your mama be saying I'm handsome, I give it a D on like and one. Killing this shit like a homicide. See, I'm the shit like a toilet eye. And rapping like this, you a mumble guy. You faggot so dick and you feminized. They got you hot like McDonald's fries. Think you important like underlines, but mental be shorter than midget thighs. Like sickness and health, I ill advise niggas to think before fucking with king. Cause you was sinking so with your regime. Boy, you was gay and so with your whole team. But I be straight, don't do feminine things. Flow is the best, fuck all the rest. Deserve a check and nothing less. Ain't gotta guess, talent I flex, Memphis I rip. Blowing on some gas while I'm feeling on her ass. See, thinking about a bag, might not need a couple racks. Hey, blowing on some gas while I'm feeling on her ass. See, thinking about a bag, might not need a couple racks. Hey, I gotta get up and make a move, but loving the way that the ass move. Know that I'm breaking my own rules, but I love the currency and the Cooch. I gotta get up and make a move, but loving the way that the ass move. Know that I'm breaking my own rules, but I love the currency and the Cooch. I don't even know why y'all be accepting this whack ass music from these old whack ass rappers, but y'all should expect better, man. You gonna spend your motherfucking money on concerts and sales and all this other shit, man. You should want some dope ass shit like this. I don't even blow no gas, man. So I was just fucking around on this song. I wrote this shit in like fucking, how fast I wrote this shit? Like 20 minutes, man. But I just wanna do some street shit for all these street motherfuckers out there. Shout out street bitches. Fucking shit out of street bitch. Currency and Cooch.